Hello friends, welcome to another video tutorial, and in this video we are going to discuss about glyoxysomes, and we are concluding in this video origin, characteristics of glyoxysomes. We are going to see the main function of glyoxysomes in this lecture. So stay tuned and watch this lecture. First of all, talk about definition. Glyoxysomes are specialized peroxisomes found in plants, particularly in the fat storage tissue of germinating seed and also in filamentous fungus. Glyoxysomes are microbodies discovered by Harry Beavers. These bodies are extracted from the germinating castor beans. Glyoxysomes present only in plant cells. We see the lack of glyoxysomes in animal cells. In plant cells, mostly found in fat storage tissue like castor seeds, groundnut seeds, etc., which contain large amount of fatty acids. Also present in yeast cell, neurospora cell. The shape of glyoxysomes are in small spherical bodies, but its size is bigger than peroxisome, in the range of 0.1 micron to 0.2 micron. Reason behind this name: glyoxylate cycle take place in these bodies. In plants, the glyoxylate cycle occurs in special peroxisome, which are called glyoxysomes. This cycle allows seeds to use lipids as a source of energy to form the shoot during germination. Let's see the characteristics of glyoxysomes. They have a single membrane. They have high equilibrium density in sucrose gradient centrifugation. Glyoxysomes possess the key enzyme of glyoxylate cycle. Their matrix is finely granular. Glyoxysomes are found in contact with lipid bodies in cotyledons or endosperm, where fatty acids are being converted to carbohydrate during germination. Let's talk about the function of glyoxysome. In these microbodies, fatty acids are being converted to carbohydrate during germination. This process is called gluconeogenesis. Glyoxysomes are also function in photorespiration and nitrogen fixation. This cycle also allows seeds to use lipids as a source of energy to form shoot and root during germination. The important enzymes in glyoxysomes are malate synthetase, glycolate oxidase, citrate synthetase, catalase, malate dehydrogenase, isocitric lyase, aconidase enzymes. All these enzymes are present in germinating seeds. All they allow seeds to use lipids as a source of energy to form the shoot and root during germination. The difference between glyoxysomes and peroxisomes are: glyoxysomes are present only in plant cell and filamentous fungi, but peroxisomes are present in almost all eukaryotic cells. Glyoxysomes are abundant in plant cells of germinating seed. In this side, peroxisomes are abundant in liver and kidney cells. Glyoxysomes catalyze the formation of acetyl coenzyme A from fatty acids which stored in germinating seeds. In this hand, peroxisomes break down the very long chain of fatty acids through beta oxidation. That's all about glyoxysomes. I hope you liked this video. If you like this video, hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe this channel. Bye bye. Take care.